November the 15th, 2012, and we're taking our 6th grade quiz over Japan. Okay, the screen is uploaded with the test, and you're going to hear my voice throughout the test. You can follow along. Raise your hand if you got any questions, and you can pause and play if you need to stop it and rewind it or fast forward it, however. Okay, started with number 1. Japan is approximately the size of A, Florida, B, Kentucky, C, China, D, California. Number 2, most of Japan's land is covered with A, grasslands, B, mountains and hills, C, farms, D, lakes. Number 3, there are blank islands that make up Japan. How many islands make up Japan? Okay. A, 2,000, B, 300, C, 3,000, D, 4,000. Again, how many islands make up Japan? Number 4, Japan has a blank climate. A, damp climate, B, cool climate, C, extreme climate, D, moderate climate. What type of climate does Japan have? Number 5, there are many blank in Japan. There are many tornadoes in Japan. B, there are many hurricanes in Japan. C, there are many earthquakes in Japan. Or D, there are many floods in Japan. Number 6, there are many volcanoes and about blank percent of them are still active. A, about 50% of them are still active. C, about 60% of them are still active. D, about 30% of them are still active. About 20% of them are still active. And this actually should be A, B, C, D. Okay? A is 50, B is 60, C is 30, D is 20. Okay? So make sure you pay close attention to that. Number 7. The 4 main blank of Japan are Shikoku, Kyushu, Hokkaido, and Honshu. What are these? 4 main what? What are these 4 things here? Are they A, volcanoes, B, beaches, C, earthquakes, D, islands? Number 8. In the beginning, Japan's government was A, dictatorship, B, constitutional monarchy, C, democracy, D, republic. This says in the beginning, so when it first started, in the beginning, okay? It's a key word. Japan's government was. Number 9, now Japan's government is A, dictatorship, B, constitutional monarchy, C, democracy, D, republic. So now we're looking for now. What is Japan's government now? Okay. Number 10. Japan still has a blank, but he has little power in the government. So Japan still has a king, B, prince, C, emperor, D, general. Okay. Number 11 through 20, are true and false. Okay? These are true, false. Number 11. Japan first began when some tribes from Western Asia came to the Japanese islands. Is that true or false? Number 12. Fishing is bigger here than anywhere else in the world. Is that true or false? And we're talking about Japan. Fishing is bigger in Japan than anywhere else in the world. True or false? Number 13. Agricultural products are not a large amount of the income in Japan. Okay, it says are not a large amount. Are not a large amount of the income in Japan. Is that true or false? Number 14. Manufacturing is where Japan gets most of its money. True or false? Number 15. Japan is one of the richest countries in the world. True or false? Number 16. 50% of the people in Japan are fluent readers and writers. Okay? It says 50% of the people in Japan are fluent readers and writers. True or false? Number 17. 99% of Japanese people are Buddhist. 99% of Japanese people are Buddhist. True or false? Number 18. The population of Japan is approximately 130 million to 150 million. Is that true or false? Number 19. Mount Everest is the most famous volcano there, but it hasn't erupted since 1707. Is that true or false? And number 20. The official language of Japan is Japanese. Is this true or false? Okay. Now, for the last section of the test, you are looking at a map. Okay. This is the map that we did in class. And on this map, I want you to match the correct landforms. Okay, on the map, match the correct landforms. All right, so I've put some cues here on number 21, Kyushu. This is where Maki is from. Okay, remember Maki telling us that this is where she's from? So match that. Look at the map and see which letter goes there. Okay, look at the map. Number 22, Pacific Ocean. Look at the map. Which letter has where the Pacific Ocean would be? Put that down for number 22. 23, Honshu. This is the body of the dragon. Remember, Japan looks like a dragon? Okay. 24, Hokkaido. Head of the dragon. Okay. Remember, Japan looks like a dragon. That's the head. And Shikoku, number 25, is one of the legs of the dragon. Okay. So hopefully this will help you out. All right, so look at your map, and you're going to match those letters with these numbers here, or where they should go. And here's some cues here that'll help you, okay? If you got any questions, please raise your hand in order to get assistance, okay? But this is the end of our quiz over Japan for 6th grade social studies at Tyler County Middle School. Thank you.